Assalamu alaikum friends. This is the third video about Arcgis ArcMap for the beginner student. How to create a geodatabase in Arcgis. First, you make the folder. Here I am already make a folder and drop a picture raster image and go to open the ArcMap and add the data, and you go to this position and search about this documents. Then we already make a folder here, demo class, and then click already import the raster image and create the geodatabase easily. This is the locations, see user, another name, bulky documents, and demo class. And here you click on this, you already these positions of your database. It's okay. Today enough for today. It's okay. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.